In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow websites to ask for access to your clipboard in the Google Chrome web browser. This is a simple setting change and only takes a minute, so let's jump right into it. First, open up Google Chrome and click on the menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy and Security. Then, on the right side, choose Site Settings. Scroll down until you see Additional Permissions, and go ahead and expand that section. Next, click on Clipboard. Here, you'll see the option that allows sites to ask to see text and images on your clipboard. Make sure that option is enabled. And that's it. You're all set. It's a quick and straightforward process. As always, thanks so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.